Welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss class 10th chapter Quadratic Equations exercise 5.1. What they are asking, check whether the following quadratic equations or not. What is the first one? X plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. Simplifying the equation, given equation. So we can expand LHS part as a plus b whole square form. And also RHS part equal to, you can multiply with 2 to the given terms, that is x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 6. Okay, simplify x square plus 2x into 1 plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. I elaborated x plus 1 whole square in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So after cancelling the like terms, we get x square plus 7. Okay, we got as a power notation 2, as a degree 2. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation with a degree 2, guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.